Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar got a slight bump of 0.1% against the yen in the last session. The stochastic indicator indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin fell 0.6% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
New steps from Group of 7 countries to cap Russian oil sales at an enforced low price will not be replicated against OPEC producers, whose plans to cut output have irked consumer countries, a United States Treasury official said. Months after announcing it had raised $11.15 million, crypto asset manager Valkyrie Investments earlier this month revealed, quietly, that the biggest participant in the funding round reneged, leaving Valkyrie scrambling to find others to fill the gap. The dollar hit the symbolic level of 150 yen for the first time since 1990, while the British pound rose as Liz Truss said she would resign as Prime Minister.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US monthly budget statement will be released at 1800 hours GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY-NC net positions at 1930 GMT. The UK's retail sales at 0600 hours GMT. The Eurozone's consumer confidence will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The Belgian Consumer Confidence Index at 0900 hours GMT. The UK's public sector net borrowing at 0600 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.